hate this gun.
Oh god.
11.
Is that Joseph out here?
I was just gonna
Joseph, are you back?
Do any of you guys watch Animal Planet?
Not really.
No.
Not since I was like 7.
Why the fuck would I watch Animal Planet, dude? I got
Yeah.
like,
Because all cool people watch Animal Planet, that's why.
well, are you talking about Animal Planet like animal porn or what?
What? Animal porn?
I'm so
Dude,
confused
are
right
we
now.
talking about furries now?
You said Animal Planet.
What have I been doing with my life?
Dude, I remember watching that crap when I was little. Hey, you get back here now. Oh god, he's gonna kill me, I know it.
God dang it.
Oh, got him! I just saved your ass, whoever Redneck Gamer is.
Dude, I was shooting him.
I just saved your ass.
That's why I was aiming directly at his head with my Magnum. So, okay.
Alright, scoping like a boss.
I feel stupid, I just
I
unplugged
don't
my
care
mic
if I'm
by
hard
accident.
scoping him.
I'm gonna trick shot.
You're gonna trick shot? I'll join you.
Get over here then.
I thought you didn't like sniping, Kevin, because I'm seeing a lot of sniping videos from you.
Nah, used to did not like sniping.
But now you do.
Pretty much. Although I'm not.
Are you gonna get your sniper's diamond?
I'm attempting to.
Which have you got any of them gold yet?
Yeah, I got the DSR gold.
Which one are you doing?
The ballista. I just need 3 more bloodthirsties, which is like literally impossible.
Well, when you do the SVUAS, go to hardcore.
Yeah, I know that.
That one,
Boosting
Yeah, I
One
got it.
shot, but nah.
Oh crap, I'm still
the
alive.
SVU probably took
Yes.
me.
No.
Go died, Dylan.
Oh!
It was my first one.
I'm sorry, Joseph. What were you saying?
It was actually
The
pretty
SVU probably took me the least amount of time.
No!
Good.
What?
Pro.
You've got to
I'm
be
a
kidding me!
pro.
Oh, dude,
I'm a
I just
pro.
pulled out my 4-4.
How did Kevin
I wasn't
get
even
me?
paying attention. I was still fixing
Me
my
neither.
vault when I was just sitting up there.
Dude, look at this.
Me neither. I
MLG.
didn't even see Kevin come up.
MLG over here.
Yeah, MLG.
MLG
infected.
Commando Pro.
Yeah,
unless
Commando
it-
Pro.